Hey, what's up YouTube? It's ICU, and today I'm incredibly excited to announce that the A12 jailbreak for iOS 12 through 12.1.2 has finally been released. So if you own a newer iPhone like a XS Max, which is what I'm rocking right here, an iPhone XR or a XS, or even the 2018 iPad Pro models, then you'll now be able to jailbreak on up to iOS 12.1.2. In a surprise release, the Electra team dropped an all-new utility dubbed Chimera, which again jailbreaks the latest devices, basically any device, on iOS 12 through 12.1.2. Though if you're already jailbroken utilizing Uncover, I recommend just staying where you're at. There's really no need to unjailbreak and go through that entire process. Now, if you're following along through this entire situation, meaning the A12 jailbreak and its status, and you had bookmarked our A12 status checker page, then you would have known immediately the very second the jailbreak dropped, this page was updated with download links. Now, by the time you see this page, it will look different. This was just a rush release, but for now, all you have to do is just look for the very first link on this page to just download Chimera, and you can install the IPA on your device. We may have an on-device tutorial coming for you guys soon, and we will definitely have a full-fledged computer jailbreak tutorial for you guys coming momentarily. So be sure to click that subscribe button if you have yet to. But if you are an advanced user and you feel like you can install this thing and get running on your own with an A12 device, then again, first link down below in the description, our A12 status checker page now contains download links to the A12 jailbreak. Guys, I'm so excited, and I'd like to give a big thanks and shout out to Coolstar and the entire Electra team. Be sure to show them some love and support. Stay tuned for our subsequent A12 jailbreak coverage, again coming very soon, and until then, this is ICU signing out.